Bank allocations. From the Bank Feeds page, select which account you want to work with. There are 3 options to choose from: Allocate, Find and Match, and Transfer. From the Select Operation drop-down, you can select a single transaction. To allocate a work expense, choose the tank, category, and attach your receipt. For wages and other incomes, just complete the applicable fields to ensure any tax withheld or offsets are correctly recorded in your tax summary. Or you can select multiple transactions. If you make a mistake, you can remove and redo any transaction. Transfer. Select the Transfer option to record payments from one of your bank accounts to the other. Simply select the related bank from the drop-down so the payment can be matched and confirm. Find and Match. Select Find and Match to allocate a bank transaction to a payment or income that you've previously entered into the system.